Okay, so I'm just up to the 400 grit now. And again, I'm not pressing too hard, I'm working with the grain. I'm just sanding out the marks from the 320 grit I used earlier than that. Now another thing I would recommend, be very careful around the edges. It's very easy to round off edges when you sand near them. In fact, I rarely even sand edges at all. Or right at the last minute, I might just touch them up. Really just focus on trying to get a flat surface on the top and the back and the sides. And then at the end, I might just loosely go around the edges like so, just by hand. But that's about it. I really wouldn't take it much further than that. Now, once you're happy with the sanding job you've done, one thing I would recommend is to use denatured alcohol, or as we call it in Australia, methylated spirits, and just clean the guitar down. Now, there's two purposes for this. Obviously, we're cleaning all the surface, ready for priming, but this will also allow any fibers in the wood to stand up, and just due to the moisture. But because it's a denatured alcohol, the moisture content will quickly evaporate and just leave those fibers standing up, and you just give them a quick sand and just cut them straight off at the surface. Okay, so like so. And then obviously you'd want to repeat that process.